Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you for choosing my channel. Please subscribe, and remember to press on to that notification bell so that you can always be the first person to receive all the incoming videos. And if you're new in this channel, please view the videos, like, share, and subscribe. So, guys, today I just want to make some local chicken stew. So, guys, keep tuned as we go. So guys, the chicken I have here is local. I'd pre-boiled it, so it's already boiled, and I have it separately with I just strained out the broth so that I can keep it. I've been keeping it in the refrigerator for 2 days. And the other things that I have, I've just grated my 3 onions, small onions. I have garlic. I have tomato paste. I have red onions that I've just diced. So the spices that I'm going to use, I have ginger, because I don't have live ginger. I've used powdered ginger. I have chicken masala and turmeric and some salt to taste. So guys, keep tuned as we go. Boiling some vegetable oil. Just add it by red onions. So guys, I let these onions boil until they brown. The onions get translucent. That's the time we add some garlic so that they can cook together. They can brown together, in other words. I'm now adding tomato paste to it and give it a good stir. So guys, you can see that form. That's a sign of tasty food. If you see oil, it's just because the oil has heated for so long. I let it heat first before I put onions. So at this point now, I can add in my tomato puree, the blended tomatoes, and give it a good stir as well. I decided to blend tomatoes just to make my gravy thick as possible. So you can see the foam is disappearing. To give it a good stir before you put on in any other spices, you let the onions cook well together with the garlic and tomato paste. But you keep on stirring. So guys, as it cooks, the oil will settle up to show some sign of a good mix up. So that's where we'll add the spices. So at this point you can add some salt. You give it a good mix until you see oil starting coming up, settling up, and we just have to let that oil drain a little bit. So we're just going to cover it. I have here a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. I'll just add to it just to make the gravy a bit thick. And guys, the reason why I'm doing that is because I did not keep the broth. Remember, this chicken, I pre-boiled it 2 days ago, so I had to strain out the broth and do it and keep it without the broth. So to make my gravy a bit heavy, you can see even the way it has become heavy. So this is the time now I can add in my spices. Here I have chicken masala, I have ginger, and here I have turmeric. So I'll give them a good stir. I've only used 3 spices. I'll give them a good stir. Now at this point now, this is the time now to put in my local chicken. You can see how dry it is. Then I'll now give it just a good stir to make sure that all these ingredients and everything gets well into the chicken. So guys, if you have the broth, you don't need to add any purpose flour, not unless you wish to. So you can see guys how my chicken is looking, very yummy. So guys, now I can just add some little water and give it a good mix. Add another little water again to have enough stew. Give it a good mix. So guys, at this point now, I'll just cover the chicken and let it cook. Meanwhile, I'll prepare some local traditional ugali, the brown ugali. Keep tuned, guys. So guys, my chicken is now ready. You can see it. So it's ready. So I'm just going to have some coriander. That's all about this chicken. So just keep tuned as I make some traditional Kenyan vegetable to have with this. So guys, this is a traditional vegetable called managu. I'm going to give you a full video on how to start from the beginning to prepare it until it reaches this stage. So this is one of the Kenyan traditional vegetables. So this one I'd already done it. It is 3 days old. So we normally do it. Then you keep it, you boil it every day. You keep boiling every day while adding milk. So this one was in the refrigerator. I've done it for 3 days. So my next video, I'm going to show you from the start how to do it. Make sure you warm it with some milk and cream. As you see, you can see some signs of milk melting. So with them, they used to use some skimmed milk or cream. So these days now we have cooking cream. I have cooking cream here. So when you want to use it, you just add some cream to it. Then you warm it. So you let the cream melts. The cream will melt. So that's why we say it's creamy. Have to add enough of it, not so much. You can just add enough. So that is cooking cream. Okay, so I'm just going to serve this vegetable with my chicken. So keep tuned, guys. This is now the local chicken stew. I've served it with traditional vegetable called managu and some brown. The ugali is not very brown. It depends on how you mix it. Guys, keep tuned and let's just have it. Let me just have a taste. The chicken is so tasty, guys. Please view this video, share, like, and subscribe.